Hello everyone, it's your boy Ilya from HY Tech, and today we are back with another video. So today we are going to install and review this carbon fiber dashboard replacement for my Tesla Model 3 Highland. And thank you to Tesstudio for providing me the product for free. Let's move on to the installation.
First, let's unbox the package. I have to say, the packaging is really well done. There's foam inside to keep everything secure. The first thing we find are some small metal clips, which you can use if you happen to lose the original ones. But honestly, you shouldn't lose anything during the removal process. And of course, here is the real carbon fiber dashboard. From the back, there's nothing special, just plastic clips with some foam padding, probably to prevent vibrations. Now, let's move on to removing the stock dashboard. I'm using this orange pry tool I got from AliExpress in a kit for less than $4. We'll start by prying from the top and bottom, working gradually. Once you unclip a small section, the rest comes off pretty easily. I won't lie, I struggled a little with the last clip, but it wasn't too bad. You just need to be careful and pull firmly. Now that it's off, I'm checking to make sure I didn't break anything, just in case I ever want to reinstall the original piece. Next, let's grab our new carbon fiber dashboard and install it. At first, I had trouble fitting it in, and I realized I forgot to align this small plastic tab in the middle. Here it is, it needs to slide into the hole just below. So, make sure to align this piece first, then push everything in place, and it clicks right in. And that's it, the installation is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the result. Personally, I think it looks amazing, just like the new Model 3 Performance. If you want to buy the same carbon fiber dashboard, check out the link in the description and use my code HY13 for 20% off your order. And if you're thinking of buying a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral link to save $1,000 on your purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more awesome Tesla content. See you next time.